Hi, it's Thursday. We got through the first week since Christmas break. Okay, so today I listed on the instructions that you needed to go to the Utah weather map and do the weather again. Hopefully you've already done that. If you haven't, go ahead and do that. Then we're going to complete some of those other things that I sent for you to do this week. So let's start with this compare and contrast. So I want you to just lift each flap and tell me about what weather is compared to what climate is. So if you want to go ahead and write the difference between weather and climate. And I will put this slide up. If that will help you, you can go ahead and hit pause and fill out the weather and climate part. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is the temperature zones map. So there's a map on your page, it's yellow, and you just need to draw the lines and show the different zones. So you should draw the lines and there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zones, and you'll just label those. So draw and label your map. Go ahead and hit pause while you do that. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to do the air movement on land and sea and the rain shadow pages. So that's on the other side of the compare and the contrast and the temperature zones. So let's bring up those slides to help you with those things. So here is the rain shadow one. So you're just going to explain that a mountain can shelter an area from prevailing winds, creating a rain shadow. And if there's anything you want to add to the picture, you can, or you can just write that and explain how that helps that. Go ahead and hit pause while you do that. Okay, and then the last thing that we need to work on today is these air temperature, uneven air temperature. So you need to explain how that works. You need to explain that they create air movement or wind, and that their proximity or their location to large bodies of water affects an area because it can cause air movement. And even maybe write this down, that warm air cools and descends where cool air moves onto land, or warm air cools and descends and cool air moves over the water. So you might want to write and label your picture and then explain that location to the proximity of water can affect what the climate is. Okay, and that's all we had for today. So I just wanted you to do your temperature zones. I wanted you to make sure you predict the weather. And I wanted you to do the compare and contrast with weather and climate, the wind movement, and then also the rain shadow. So once you have all that done, you're done with science for today. Thanks for all your hard work.